Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating the Microsoft account that Minecraft now requires. Open account creation and enter an email or phone. This becomes your sign-in ID. Next, make a strong password. Aim for 12 or more characters with numbers and symbols, because account security protects purchases and worlds. Then, enter your birth date and country so age-appropriate settings apply. Once done, add a recovery phone or secondary email to retrieve access if you forget credentials. This step prevents lockouts and speeds up verification. After initial creation, verify your contact method immediately by entering the code sent to your email or phone. This confirms ownership and enables purchases. Once verified, review privacy and online safety settings, especially if this is for a child, so chat, multiplayer, and content filters match your preferences. Then, either sign in to an existing Xbox profile or create a gamer tag. Minecraft uses this for cross-platform play and friend lists. Make sure to sync account details so your purchases and cloud saves appear correctly. To finish, open Minecraft and sign in with your new Microsoft account. If you're migrating an older Xbox Live account, follow the migration prompts to link profiles and preserve purchases. Enable two-step verification for extra protection, because it stops unauthorized access even if passwords leak. If login fails, clear the app or browser cache and retry, or use the account recovery flow if you can't verify identity. And if verification codes don't arrive, check spam, correct the phone number, and request a new code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.